introducing to you the brand new Vitamix Ascent Series accessories. So these are the 3 different Ascent models you can purchase in Australia. As of 2019, these are actually going to be the only Vitamix models available on the Australian market. The Classic series has been discontinued by Vitamix. So we have the 2300 model, the 2500 model, and the 3500 model. So your Ascent series blender comes standard with your 2-litre low-profile container and your tamper. But now you can actually purchase a blending bowl starter kit. Okay, so this comes with 2 225ml blending bowls. Also comes with the blade base, so that's included. So that's $139.95 in Australia. That's what you get with the extra container. You also get these little lids, which will also screw on there as well, all right, which is handy for storing them in the fridge, and they are stackable. You can purchase additional 225ml containers. You can get a 2-pack, that's $39.95, and then you can also buy a 600ml to-go cup, and that is compatible with this blade base that you purchase with the blending bowl starter kit. Okay, so that comes just like this for $39.95. Comes with the little travel to-go lid. You can just make your smoothie in there and then drink it, go straight to work. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so another accessory which has become available is this awesome Tampon Holder. Now that's only $24.95, it's a really good price, and that's just gonna latch onto the side of any of these Ascent blenders, and you can beautifully store your tamper just like so. You get a little book with it, it's got a few little recipes in there. You can also purchase a 2-litre container separately. That's advised if you want to grind grain into flour, as hard grains can over time etch, they can mark the inside of the container. So Vitamix recommends purchasing a separate 2-litre container if you want to grind grain. In Australia, there's no plans yet to release a 1.4-litre wet or dry container, okay? So these are the only options available for 2019, all right? So just want to talk to you about these blending bowls real quick. When you screw these on, okay, you'll notice there's a little arrow on the side here, and there's also an arrow on the bowl or the cup. So when you line it up, you want to line up those arrows and screw it on until those arrows meet up, okay? So the new Ascent series has self-detect technology. So I'll put on the 3500, here we go. I'll put this on, and then I'll press drink setting, and you'll see it says 38 seconds. Or if I put on the 2-litre container, and I hit drink setting, it says 50 seconds. So it automatically recognizes the container size and will adjust the blending time to suit, okay? So the 3500 and the 2500 model, they both have programmable settings. The self-detect technology, I can't see any benefit with the 2300 model because there's no automatic settings, okay? You've just got your 1 to 10 variable speed. So that's basically it for the new Vitamix Ascent accessories. We also have some accessories packages on our website. You can also purchase a new Ascent blender with the accessories. We have packages for that as well. Any questions, please let us know, and happy blending.